Learn kitchen tools in Arabic with quiz test.
Question 1. Which of the following is mizan? Is it scale or is it knife? Answer scale. That's absolutely right. Great work. Question 2. Which of the following is miqla? Is it frying pan or is it pot? Frying pan. Perfect. You're doing amazing. Keep it up. Question 3. Which of the following is ibrik? Is it kettle or is it knife? Kettle. Spot on. Fantastic work. Let's keep going. Question 4. Which of the following is kidr? Is it pot or is it cup? Answer pot. Yes, that's well done. Keep going strong.
Thanks for watching. Watch for Arabic videos by qualified teachers. Test your understanding with the free online quiz, link in the description. Watch more vocab videos with attached exercises for free. Until next time, take care and keep learning.